Okay, guys, you are going to hear me give a review on this nail polish. First, I'm going to clean my nails really good with this nail polish remover from Dollar Tree. Make sure I get all of the dirt and everything off of my nails. No extra nail polish left over from the color before. I'm taking this Sassy and Chic Buffer Smoother thing. I don't know what it's called. And I'm just buffing my nails, smoothing them out to give smoother and cleaner application of the nail polish. Okay, so these are my real nails. I like to wear my real nails, grow them out, then sometimes I just cut them, go get them done at the salon. And sometimes I use the Kiss nails and the other nails that you glue on, and just I've noticed that when you use the glue on nails, the polish lasts longer for some reason. I don't know why it adheres to it, but every now and then I like to go get my nails done, but a lot of times I like to do my own nails. And this little nail dryer over here, I got this from Family Dollar or Dollar General. I can't remember which one. But I'm just cleaning up my nails right now. And now I am applying the Julie nail polish in Fab and Fierce. And if I mess this name up, I'll put it in the description. I'm pretty sure it's Fab and Fierce or something like that. What I can say about this nail polish is this is going to dry as a matte nail polish. And I'm going to show you what it looks like. So, I've had other nail polishes from Dollar Tree, and I think that this one took me about 3 coats to get my nails covered enough. And then when it dries, you're going to see what it looks like. But I ended up putting a top coat on top of it. If you do like 4 or 5 coats of this with a top coat, it looks okay. But if you just do 1 or 2 coats, it's not going to look right. So this is what it looks like. You see, it's like, it's not fully coated. Some of it has spots on it, and this is like 2 or 3 coats. So now I'm taking the top coat from LA Colors, the base coat, and you will see it looks a little bit better, but I don't know, this is like a matte nail polish and it doesn't really coat my nails really good. I may try it on fake nails, but for my real nails, I'm not really liking this nail polish. I'm going to try some other colors and see how they turn out, but this is the first one, and this is what it looks like. So I say to each his own. So if you see this nail polish, give it a try, but this is what my nails turned out like. And I had fun doing this video, so I'll be doing more of these nail videos here on my beauty channel, Ivy Leaf. Thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Have a very blessed day. Bye bye.